to Las Vegas for the local time is 3:41 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experiences. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your Sky Miles account. We sincerely apologize for the delay and any inconvenience. If you have missed your connection, our Delta representative and customer service teams will automatically rebook you on the next available flight. You can access, view, and manage and make changes to your rebooked itinerary on any mobile device using the Fly Delta app. You can also receive real-time flight status updates, boarding notifications, and more. If you don't already have the app, it only takes a minute to download from the Apple Store or Google Play.
Yeah, we know that. Okay.
We'll make every effort to reroute your checked
Okay.
baggage onto your next flight.
Okay. I'll call you.
Gate agents will be available to assist you, and gate information screens will reflect the most up-to-date flight information.
It's telling me how to go down to the second level. Go over the bridge.
We do have quite a few connecting flights to Amsterdam, so if you are not on that flight, please stay seated once the seatbelt sign has been turned off to let them deplane first. We would greatly appreciate it.
But that's what we allowed at.
Please don't forget to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this LA-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board and we wish you a safe holiday season. Have a wonderful rest of your day.